this video, I'm going to teach you how to change styles in Azure Latch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to acquire different styles and how to switch between the styles that you have on your character. To do this, join Azure Latch either through a public or private server, it doesn't matter, and go into the menu. In the menu, you will find two relevant options related to styles. You will have the shop and the storage. Inside of the storage, you can swap between the styles that you currently have. You will notice that on my character, I only have Isagi, so I'm going to try to get a different style. Of course, if you have multiple styles already, all of them will appear here, and you can choose between different ones. If you want to acquire new styles, go into the shop tab instead, and you will find styles here. Randomly select a style to use in random gameplay, or real gameplay, sorry. The percentages will all be listed here. For some reason the text is super small for me, but you can probably read it when you join the experience. You will see your current luck, the spin pity, and the luck time, which you can purchase 10 minutes of 2 times spin luck for 99 Robux. Either way, just click on the option here to spend money, and you will get a random style. So I was able to get this different one, Gagamaru. So I can switch between the styles by going over to menu, storage, and clicking on them here. And I'll be able to swap immediately. So it's as simple as getting styles from the shop. After you have them acquired, they will be available on your storage, and you can freely swap between them as you wish before going into a real match. Very simple to do. And you can acquire all of the ones listed here with these percentages. So most of the time you are going to get Isagi and Gagamaru because they have an incredibly high drop rate compared to the other ones. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.